Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing another professional peplum dress, which I'm super excited about. It is actually this dual colored, of course you can get it in whatever dual color you want. My personal favorite to wear is obviously red, as most of you'll know. Very interesting neckline, professional yet a little bit of a V, which is, I don't know, just very interesting. And then, oh, a cute little bow sash that is just connected. So it kind of looks like a blazer-like thing, but like it's not because it's connected to the dress on the bottom. The back is just one piece with a zipper all the way down and the red sleeves. And then, so definitely party in the front, nothing in the back. But the party in the front is a big deal because I love that bow. And of course the peplum pleating as well. And then a little split down here for, once again, mobility. Let me go ahead and try this on. Oh, one thing that I didn't notice earlier is the detail on the sleeve that matches this. And it goes all the way down. Love that it's like such an easy, clean look, but still cute and trendy. Looks like a blazer, but it's not. The skirt fits nice right above the knee, hugs you nicely with slit for mobility. As you're sitting down, it falls nicely. And yeah, it just looked quite interesting, but professional look. So if you would like to purchase this outfit, go ahead and check out the links below. And if you like product unboxings, I would love to see you in the next video. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this. Would you wear it? Would you not? Why wouldn't you? Why would you? I want to hear from you. So let me know what you think. And that's it. All right, bye.